Valentine's Day does not need fancy plans or expensive dinners. Sometimes love is served hot, homemade, and made with care. Today I am making chicken quesadilla with a beautiful pink tortilla because when food is made with love, it should look as special as it tastes. Every good recipe starts with the basic. In a bowl, I mix all purpose flour, wheat flour, salt, oil, and fresh beetroot puree. The beetroot gives the dough its soft pink color, natural, vibrant, and perfect for this Valentine's Day. I knead it into a smooth dough and let it rest for a few minutes because even dough needs a little time to relax. Once the dough is ready, I divide it into portions and roll them into thin tortillas. Once the tortillas are ready, I cook them lightly on a hot pan just until soft and flexible. These tortillas are canvas, ready to hold all the flavors that come. Now it's time to prepare the filling. In a pan, I heat oil and a little butter. Add chopped garlic, and onions, letting them turn soft and aromatic. Mushroom and chicken go in next. Season with cumin seed powder, red chilli powder, and oregano, and mix. Now in goes some corn kernels, some cream, salt to taste, some cheese, once the chicken is cooked perfectly, I turn off the heat, add the chopped capsicum. The filling turns rich, creamy, not overpowering, just balance, so that everything comes together beautifully. Now comes the best part, assembling the quesadilla. I take one of the beautiful pink tortilla, spread a generous amount of cheese, then goes the creamy chicken filling, and some more mozzarella cheese on top. Then I fold it gently and cook it on a hot pan until it's golden and crispy. The cheese inside melts perfectly, creating the irresistible pull. And there it is, a beautiful, crispy, creamy chicken quesadilla, perfect for a cozy Valentine's evening. Serve it hot with some sour cream and fresh salsa on the side, because sometimes the most meaningful Valentine gesture is a meal made with love and care. Thank you for joining me in this Valentine's Day special. If you enjoy this recipe, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Reels to Meal.